To delete a workspace in Notion 2025, follow these steps. First, log into your Notion account and navigate to the workspace you want to delete. Click on the settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear icon, and select the Workspace Settings option from the drop-down menu. In the Workspace Settings, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find the Delete Workspace option. Click on this option to initiate the deletion process. You will be prompted to confirm that you want to delete the workspace, as this action is permanent and cannot be undone. Before confirming, make sure you have exported or backed up any important data or pages that you want to keep, as deleting the workspace will remove all associated content. If you are sure you want to proceed, click on the Confirm button to delete the workspace. It is essential to note that only the workspace owner or administrators have the permission to delete a workspace. If you are not the owner or an administrator, you will not see the Delete Workspace option in the Settings menu. Additionally, if you have any team members or guests invited to the workspace, deleting the workspace will remove their access to the associated content. Therefore, it is crucial to communicate with your team members before deleting a workspace to ensure a smooth transition. In summary, deleting a workspace in Notion 2025 is a straightforward process that requires careful consideration and confirmation. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely remove a workspace and its associated content, while also ensuring that you have backed up any important data and communicated with your team members.